It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we have a bank install. It's a credit union in Stockton, California. We are installing a 75-inch display and a 1x6 in portrait style, which we're about to take you through that right now. Yeah. So when we originally got the site, we were told that the contractor was gonna rip out the wall and put in plywood. The plywood didn't happen, so we had to improvise and go get Unistrut to get the 1x6 up. And so now we're double checking, double measuring the heights of everything and finding where all the metal studs are to install the Unistrut to get the pop-out mounts to work. And on this location, we're actually using Philips digital signage displays, which are pretty cool. So we got this Peerless pop-out mounts with the Philips displays. I like the new Peerless mounts. Have you guys installed these yet with the red on there that shows you where the adjustments are for the Z, Y, and all the axis adjustments? Before they'd be black and just hidden, and when you're like looking under trying to find how to adjust it after the display's up, it's hard to find. So I like that they changed that little, just that one little piece there makes it a lot easier to install and service. So this wall has one media player that has two outputs. One half of the player does the first 1x3 and the second half does a 4/5 6 screen for the second half. Like basically two 1x3s is how that player parses the video. So now that they're all up, they have to check all the alignments, take off all the plastic, do all the wiring, zip tie it up, push it all back. By the way, we had to do this install during business hours while they were still open. So there's a ton of regular customers coming in and out. So we weren't able to film like the whole view from farther back behind the teller area because we're just like trapped on the same side as the tellers. But you guys get the idea. This is our first time installing these Philips zero edge displays. So by the time we finished this, it was really late in the day, and tech support to log in for the knock was not there to flip the orientation. We're going back there actually today to get that, which we should have an updated image of this when it's over at the end of the video here. But I hear that the Philips tech support is really good on these displays, and that's why this AV integrator decided to switch to them. As far as like troubleshooting the display itself, or there's an issue with the display, that's why they went with Philips. So this is like their lobby display. They had another 75-inch display just right as soon as you walk into the lobby. And the 1x6 is behind the teller. This is just a basic flat mount 1 media player behind the display. Nothing fancy with this guy. But that's it, man. This is the first bank of about 7 that we have for the same credit union here in the Sacramento area. So we'll have a couple other videos of some other similar locations. Some have 1x6s, some don't. Some just have a 75 or 65, but I would say I think 4 or 5 of them do have a 1x6. But if you guys have anything going on like that, if you guys like watching videos like this, let us know in the comments below. See you guys on the next one. Later.